In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Logitech G435. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over various different steps that you can take to fix problems attributed with your Logitech G435. Regardless of the color or the model, you will be able to follow them. So to start, make sure that it is sufficiently charged. If you only recently acquired the headset, it is very important to let it charge for the necessary amount of time. So usually they will include a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you will be able to use this to charge the headphones or the headset. You need to plug it into a valid power source and then leave it there. I highly recommend charging it fully. This will eliminate any problems attributed to battery, especially if it is your first time powering it on. So once you believe that it has been sufficiently charged, try to press the power button and see if it powers on. If it doesn't, then move on to additional steps. The next thing to check is the connection type. This headset can be used through the USB dongle, however, it also features Bluetooth connectivity. So because of this, it's very important that you set the mode accordingly. If you are trying to connect to the USB dongle, but you have the headset on the Bluetooth connection type, then it simply isn't going to detect the USB LightSync or Lightspeed dongle. So to set it accordingly, make sure that you press the mute button and the power button for a few seconds. You will see this light change. If you see a lighter blue, it indicates that it is ready to connect to the USB dongle. However, if you see this deeper blue like cyan, it indicates that you are connecting over Bluetooth. And with the proper connection type, you should be able to get it connected. Now, if this doesn't work and the headset is still not working properly, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. You could have a faulty receiver, so I highly recommend trying out Bluetooth just to be sure. And if you notice that both of these methods do not work, then it could be a hardware problem attributed to your specific G435. And in this case, I would highly recommend contacting the Logitech customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Logitech G435. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.